Yo, bro, it's nice to meet you. Seriously, man, I love meeting new people. What was your name again? I didn't quite get that. All right, that's cool. So what brings you into my studio? You want a new look? I'm just kind of getting by your blank stare that maybe you want a new look. All right, that's cool, man. I'm down for this, you know, silent treatment. I get it. You know, I've had girlfriends in the past. I get it, I understand. I can read those kind of just blank stares. All right, that's cool, man. You just want me to do what I'm gonna do. Well, let's do that. Because you know what, I'm assuming that your name is gonna be really close to mine. Oh, it is Jake, by that little squint you gave? All right, man, I get it. Two Jakes don't make a right, right? Yeah, dude. Let's make this. Let's do this. Was that a smirk? Am I starting to see a smile? All right, bro. Okay. Cool. Let's do this, dude. So, you know, Jake wasn't very talkative. You know, it's like kind of weird. Like, why wouldn't a guy named Jake talk? You know, because Jakes are cool, man. Like, I should know. I am one. Duh, bro. Anyways, right, you know, yeah, you're gonna experience consultations like this. You gotta do your best job to kind of bring out as much as you possibly can. I was trying to open him up with some open-ended questions. You know, he's just not a talker. It's fine. I wasn't a talker for a long time, you know. But what we're gonna do today, all right? I've got Jake parted off right here. We're gonna start to scissor over comb these sides up through here. There's a little bit of disconnection over here on this side. This is a little bit longer. I'm gonna show you guys some tips and tricks on how to make your scissor over comb that much more impactful. So let's get right into it. Let's do that now. So first off, guys, when you're doing a scissor over comb or scissor over clipper, it's good to have some sort of like a larger comb like this. This has got a lot of real estate from here to here and then from here to here. So keep that in mind. That's super important. Sometimes when you're using a smaller scissor, it essentially, you know, it's great to get into those fine detailed areas, but something like this where I'm just removing large amounts of hair, this is perfect for that. It's also important to have, you know, if you have like longer scissors, like so, and longer scissors are going to allow you, again, with the longer real estate when it comes to a comb like that. If the scissors are about this long or this long, you can make a lot more mistakes. Versus something like this, you can cover a lot more real estate. Keep in mind though, bigger scissors, there's more areas to kind of cut your ear, things like that. The other thing you want to keep in mind is that when it comes down to softening up scissor over comb, you can actually do a lot with scissors like this. Now these are from BMAC. Now this one essentially takes out 27%, this one takes out 47%. And so these two scissors, now what I do with something like this is I'm gonna go in with scissor over comb and I'm going to really soften up those edges right through here. If there is any sort of like little like chunk lines or whatever it may be, this allows you to kind of just soften this up just a little bit. I mean, it's looking really, really good so far, but I'm gonna show you how I do this in the salon. Now I would just go in, I would just soften up right through here, just soften up some of those little lines, just like that. Since I have free reign with Jake, you know, we understand each other. And he's a pretty good looking guy, you know, he's got nice bone structure, he's pretty evenly balanced from like chin to nose to forehead, things like that. He's really well proportioned. So you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little bit. As far as what I need, the hair right now currently is asymmetrical. It's actually longer over here, over his left eye. So I'm going to be removing that. We're gonna keep a little bit more length throughout the front because I think a little bit more height is gonna be actually awesome on him. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to be cutting an angle, and so you're gonna see an angle that's gonna go just like this. So with that angle, there's gonna be a little bit more length in the front, right through here, a little bit less length through this back area. So this will kind of really shape to the head right through there. Jake, what's your styling routine? Do you dry your hair? Wait, sorry, you don't talk. Guys, if you're gonna cut a shape like this, one of the things you wanna keep in mind is that I just re-wet this really quick, and I'm actually gonna blow dry this up. So his hair actually kind of wants to stick out this direction, so I'm gonna use a blow dryer to push everything up. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Jake, what do you think of your new look? All right, I get it, silent, I get it. Dude, you look good, bro. From one Jake to another, you look good. I should know. Nothing? Okay, that's fine, you know. You're new in town. I got the perfect thing for you. All you have to do, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think, man. You know, that's the easiest way to kind of get interconnected. All right, I'm gonna take your no comment as you're gonna do that. I appreciate it, Jake. From one Jake to another, right here, bro. I appreciate it.